So, welcome everyone to our live class. As you know, for Tech in Tech, no African time for us. But don't worry, we are going to spend like, let's say, just 1 minute. Let's wait for others to join. So, let's wait for 1 minute for others to join. And as they are joining, please let us know your name and where you are joining from. Also, let us know the parts you want to learn, either web development or the graphic design aspects. But the importance of our pre-live class before the main class, which will take place in October 1st and 2nd, is for us to know some of the things we need to know before the live class. For instance, we are going to talk about things to download, how to prepare, and so on. So as you are waiting in the next 1 minute for others to join, please, I'd like us to send our names and the parts we are going to take, either graphic design or web development. Then where we are, also your state, which means where you are watching from, pending the time you are waiting for others to join. But I'd like you to take note of something, that we don't use African time here. Whenever we say 4 p.m., it is 4 p.m. This shows that even in the main live class, which will take place October 1st, which is for web development class, and October 2nd, which is for graphic design class, we are not going to use African time. Although the time has not been communicated yet, which will be communicated after the pre-live class of today. And for those that are unable to join, the video will be available after this live class ended, our pre-live class ended, so that you can be able to go through the video again to see what is needed. And even if you are still here, you still have the opportunity to go back to the videos to listen again to the things needed for you to prepare for the main live class we are going to do. So I think 1 minute is over now. So welcome guys. At least we can start with the few ones that are here, anytime people are joining. So I would love to remain anonymous. I don't want to show my face. That's not what matters. What matters is to learn something. So, and as you all know, remember we have two groups, which is the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. The Telegram group is the main group which we want many people to join, to be there, which I am receiving some messages that some people said they could not join the Telegram group due to some factors. So if you know you've not downloaded the Telegram group on your phone, please go to your Play Store and download Telegram. Then sign up for it and click on the link on the group to join the Telegram group. Although we'll be sending messages on the WhatsApp group as well, but there will be a lot of messages that will be sent on the WhatsApp group. The reason is new people that are joining through the WhatsApp group direct, and remember they are new, and we have to send some details for them to understand the purpose of why they are in the group. And you that are already in the group for so long, you will keep receiving that same messages over and over again, and some messages usually piss someone off, especially if they are too much. So if you know those messages are disturbing you, it's better for you to move to the Telegram group, which is the main group for those that have done their assignment. I know some are moving to Telegram group without doing their assignments. Yes, I know. But today we are going to tell you the reason why they ask you to watch those videos before the main live classes. So welcome guys, welcome. So we'll be starting now. Let's see what we are going to discuss for today. The first thing we are going to discuss is I would like you to ask if you have questions along the way, probably in what we are discussing. There's a live chat there, you can chat us up. I'm not the only one that is admin in this class here right now on this live class. There are also other admins that are waiting for your questions, that are ready to listen to you. And so feel free to ask whatever question you have in the course of my explanation. If you don't understand, then immediately you will receive answers to your question. Then after the live class, because I don't want it to take more than just 30 minutes or so. So after the pre-live class of today, if you still have further questions, feel free to ask it on this comment section, because the video will still be available after the live class. Then if you feel you'll not be able to ask it on this comment section, don't worry. You can ask that on Telegram group or on the WhatsApp group. So the first thing we are going to learn is the tools to download for the web development. So I know, remember, we have two groups on this platform, the part of the web development and also the graphics designer. And some people join the two groups. They want to learn both web development and graphics design. It's not bad. It's even important for you to know both. So for the web development, it is for the live class, it will be important for you to download our VS Code. Now, we have a lot of videos. We have videos that explain this how to download the VS Code, and that is why we encourage you to watch those videos on our YouTube channel. Remember, we in the YouTube channel we have introduction to HTML. We have part 1 to part 6 already. In fact, part 7, which is already online in our YouTube channel. And for the one of that discuss about the code editors that programmers use, which we talk about the VS Code, is the introduction to HTML part 4. You will see 5 code editors for programmers, the uses and the installations. So I will encourage you to watch this video. The link is always in the description. I usually send it to new ones that enter the group. So those links are there one after the other. And if you think you want the link, chat us up on the group. Ask for the link. We'll send it to you. That is explain how you can download the VS Code, which is the tools that we're going to use for our web development. And remember, in the flyer we said we are going to design a portfolio for ourselves using HTML and CSS only. Remember, I don't know if most of you know what portfolio is all about. Portfolio describe everything about you, your knowledge, what you know, your skills, then the projects you've done so far, so that if I tell someone that I'm a web developer, they are going to ask you, okay, share your portfolio with me, let me see your work. So it is the portfolio you share with people out there that want to get to that job. So when they see your portfolio, when they go through it, the project you've done, things you've done, then it will move them to want to give you the job that you said you can do. So even though you are not done learning to be a web developer, it is important for you to have a portfolio. Yes, it is solely important. So as time goes on, as you start improving on your web development, then you start editing your portfolio. So the little knowledge you have now, you can create a portfolio for yourself. Tell people you build websites. Even though you don't have all the knowledge to build websites, take the job. At least you, after taking the job, you contact those that you know are so good that build the websites. Then you do it together. From there, you start learning. Then you take your share. With time, what happens? You become a pro. So it is when you start. It is important to start something. When you start, then you can be able to achieve a lot. And that's why it says, the journey of 1,000 miles always begin with a step. So I'll just give you hints on what to do. You go to Chrome. After going to your Chrome, then the next thing you do, you click on the search for in the window. You just type vscode.com. So if you want me to send the link on how to download it, let me know. Although how to do all that is already on that video that we encourage you to watch. So you can download your VS Code through, I already have it, so I won't be doing that. So I will encourage you to watch the video on how to download it and to install your VS Code. Then if you have further questions, feel free to ask. So this is it here. Just go to VS Code download. Then you click, this is the logo, as you can see. So just click on download Visual Studio Code. Double click on it. So it's already loading. So after doing that, you wait for it to open. I think my network is slow here. So here is it. Don't forget, if you have questions from what I'm explaining, do ask those questions on the comment section right now. Then answer will be given to you. Now look at this window. So if you are using Windows 10 or 11, you download it here. If you are using Mac, download it here. And if you are using Linux, download any of the two here. So I won't be downloading that because I already have that on my system. So make sure you download this. If you're having system and you're for web development, make sure you download VS Code before the live class. It is important. So the next one about we are going to talk about today is tools to download as a graphic designer. Now some people have laptop and they want to learn graphic designer as well, and some don't have, they have just phone and they want to learn graphics designer. Yeah. So in this part, for if you have a laptop or a system and you want to learn graphics design, the tools to download is you go to your Chrome, you search for, you type, go to a new window, search, type figma.com, then click enter. So that is where I'm going to download it. So because I already have my own, I've already signed up. You don't have to download it. It has app, so you don't need to download this. Whenever you want to make use of it, just go to their website, figma.com. So if you have already signed up for it, if you have not signed up, immediately you go to the figma.com website, it will take you to sign up where you can sign up. So just sign up, write your name, your details, and log in. So immediately you log in, because I've done all these things, as you can see on the screen, this is what I've done. So immediately you log in to the website, you've already start working, you see things like this. So for you to be able to work on a new project, you can see here, these are the recent things I've done. So just try and make sure you download it. This is the design file. You can click on it to work on new project. Then jam board. So there are a lot of tools here we are going to talk about in our live class. So for if you have a system, then you can use this. This is what we are going to use for our live class. This is website figma.com. So I've clicked that part that says design file, so it brought me to a new file. So this is where we're going to design for our live classes. So I'm going to teach you all these tools, what they are meant for, all these in the live class. So make sure you already sign up for this figma.com for the live class, which takes place October 2nd. So the time we communicated to you. If you have any question on how to download or whatever, feel free to ask on the live chat now and you reply it immediately. But if you know that you don't have question now, later realize that you have question, ask. You can still ask on the comment section here. You can ask because the video will be uploaded immediately after the live class, so you'll be able to see the videos. You go back to it if you have questions. So I'm sure some questions have already been answered as it's going. So keep asking your question and you will be answered. So now let's continue. The next thing now is after you download for those that have system. Now those that do not have system, you have phones, Android phones. What will you do? Don't worry, you are covered. You are going to use your phone. You go to your Play Store. You type Pixel Lab on your Play Store. So after typing Pixel Lab on your Play Store, you are going to see a logo of the Pixel Lab. This is how the logo is, letter P. Can you see what my cursor is showing? So this is how it is. I think it is also used on a PC to system, but it's slow when you're using the system. So it's better to have it on the phone because it's made for phone mostly. So I have this on the phone. So we are going to use that too in the live class. So in the live class, we are going to discuss the tools for our Pixel Lab or using your phone, and also we discuss the tools we are going to use for our graphic design using our system. So these are what we are going to discuss in the live class, and we are going to build some things using our tools after the discussion. So please, no African time during the live class. Then what do you now need to do to prepare for the class after you've downloaded all those tools needed? You need your exercise book and your pen. Remember, That is why we ask you guys to watch those videos. Those videos will assist you to have idea on what we are going to discuss in the live class. Just imagine that now that you've never have an idea of what coding is all about, and now in the live class I am teaching you code where I put doc type HTML body. It will look so strange to you. In fact, it will look like magic. But now, after watching those videos, it give you ideas and hints. So as you are explaining in the live class, you will get to understand it properly. You're saying, wow, okay, this is how this works. Yes, then you'll be able to have a lot of questions to ask during the live class, which you find answers. But now imagine you have no idea of those things, you are lazy to watch it, you don't want to watch those YouTube channels, send those links to you, you don't even want to, just want to come to the live class straight and build a portfolio. Do you think that can work? No, it will be so difficult. So learning how to code is just like learning a new language. And remember, if you do not have talent for learning new language, it will be difficult for you, but that does not mean you can't learn it as well. So learning how to code may seem difficult at first. That is why we ask you to watch those videos to give you ideas. And all this I've been expecting people to be watching the video and be asking me questions. Okay, how do you do this? I need this. Nobody is asking. I don't know why. Probably maybe you as scholar, you already know it. Fine, it is good. Well, but it will be so important for you to watch those videos. It is so important for you to watch those videos. It is highlighted for web developer. The video starts from introduction to HTML1. We have part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. And before you even start watching the video, we have also a video that will help you before you start watching even the introduction to part 1. There's a video that talks about choosing career in tech. That was the first video we upload. You have to watch that video first before you even start watching introduction to HTML part 1 to 6 or 7. So if you do that, the life class will be so easy and smooth for you. Everything is not magic. It requires effort in our part. Learning to code requires effort. Some people, due to their laziness, they may feel that, oh, learning how to code is so difficult, it's not made for me. It is. That is why it requires effort on your part. And we are encouraging you to watch those live videos, those YouTube channel links we've sent to you. For graphic designers, there are a lot of videos how to create logos, how to create flyers. Please watch them on our channel. In fact, I even sent on how to search for our channels for you. I sent it. Okay, let me just, you can, if you do not get how to click on the link, you can search our channels. Go to your youtube.com. It will take you there straight. If you've not subscribed, I've already subscribed for the channel. Yes, search here. You will see search immediately you go to the YouTube. This is it here. Search tech _in _tech. You have to put underscore. Then you click on it, search. It will bring you to our channel. Now this is our channel here. Click on it, double click on it. This is the logo. This is the background. This is the logo. This is it already. Then after bringing you here, scroll down. You see one of the videos that is already there. Go to the playlist here. Click on playlist. Now move down. Even though it's on your phone, it's the same thing. These are short videos we've uploaded. These are graphics design videos. You see everything there. And these are tech videos. There are 7 videos as you can see. In fact, as time goes on, you will see more. These are graphics design. For graphics design, you see more videos too. Don't worry. I'm still even going to upload more. In the process of this video going on, this live class going on, you might even still see more videos that will come up with it. So look at it here. Apart from that, go to home videos. Sorry. Okay, these are our home here. Can you see all the videos? Scroll down. Can you see all the videos here? This one is introduction to part 6. This one, design flyer in few minutes. This one, introduction to HTML part 5. Design flyer in few minutes. Design exercise book in few minutes. Click here to continue. The same method you do on your phone as well. See here, free AI generated images. How to do it. How to get monetized on YouTube. Creating flyer in few minutes using your Figma. Five code
Different
editors.
different
This is the
devices
video I
at the same
asked
time.
you people to watch if you
Maybe
want to know how to
VFX can take us.
download your VS
Don't
Code.
worry, continue to
Five
watch
code
our videos.
editors.
We are
This
going
one
to show
is
you step by
introduction
step
to
on
HTML, I
how
think
to
part
use it.
4. Then this one
But
introduction
second,
to HTML part 3.
the
If you
work
click
that
there, you
stays
see
with
part 2, part
means
1.
that a
See the
star
part 2, see the
applied to
part
a
1,
parent element will
and
also
so
apply
on.
to all the children
Eh?
elements in
So
the
it
video.
is not hard to
So
do
if you
for our
set the color of
channel.
the body
It is
text,
so
for instance,
easy. Then
all the
because
headings,
this is the
paragraphs, and
channel,
other text elements within the body
this is the
text,
channel.
we also do
If
it.
I just
Unless
a
you
new
specify
person coming to the
something else,
channel,
that's
you
a
will see
different thing.
subscribe
Can
on the
you see?
channel here.
Cascade
Immediately you
star
search for the channel, you see
membership.
subscribe here. Just click on subscribe and on your notification down so that like notification now so that whenever more videos are being uploaded, you'll be opportune to know and to watch them. Because most times, even after the live class, there are still a lot of things that you will not still get. It is the truth. So you have to come back to the video again and rewatch until you understand it. I also undergo the same process too. It took me 2 to 3 years to learn this. So it's not as if within 6 months you can't learn it. You can do that. But to achieve that requires a lot of sacrifices on your part. And after you've learned it, it's already for you. No one can take that knowledge away from you. Remember, this is a live class, free live class. We are not demanding any amount from anybody. But as time goes on, we might, because it seems because it is free, people are not taking it seriously. Things that are free, people don't take it serious. But when it is okay, you pay this particular amount of money, when they remember, I've paid this money, it will move them to watch and to be serious about it. So it matters how people are serious in this live class that is going to take place. That will show if we continue to make it free live class or we'll start demanding for money. Because we don't mind even though there are few people that are ready to learn and to watch those videos. And that's why we are there to reply whatever questions you have, but we are not seeing questions. So we will encourage you to take this serious. A lot are being collected out there to achieve this knowledge. I spent a lot to get to where I am to achieve this little knowledge too. So if we have opportunity of learning it free, effort is required to achieve it. And those teaching you free does not mean that they are jobless or they don't have things to do. It's just an opportunity to impart knowledge, seeing that a lot need this, but they don't have the opportunity to. So we teaching others does not mean we are jobless, we don't know what we are doing. We just want to assist the little we can assist as our own part. But if people are not taking serious, we start collection of money. So and that's why we're encouraging you to watch those links and videos. Screenshot the one your assignment. Let us see. Let us see the efforts you are making to show to this will move us to want to show. Okay, this will motivate us to even do more. Let the class continue to be free so that they're saying that okay, people are responding and they are watching, they are learning, they are taking knowledge, they are taking values. This will move us to want to assist more people. But when we will not take this serious, it's so discouraging. So please, we would like you to download all those necessary tools before the live class and no African time. If it is 4 p.m. that's the time, it is 4 p.m. Please, we would like you to be there. And don't worry, before the live class, maybe 2 or 3 days to the live class, link will be sent to everyone to prepare you. The link that you'll be able to watch the live class to prepare everyone to be able to join so that you on your notification down. So it will alert you that oh, we're having live class so time. So please try and download it and watch all those videos that you're encouraged to do. If possible, screenshot your assignment. Let us see. Ask questions if you're finding it difficult to understand any part. Please, we are there to help you. So these are all the things you need to do for the live class. There's nothing much again. Please let us take it serious. This will encourage us. So don't forget, please, to join the Telegram group. The link will be sent again. Please join the Telegram group. If you don't have Telegram, go to your Play Store, download the Telegram, join as well. So if you think you have any question, please keep asking on the live section. We will answer your question immediately. And this video will be automatically uploaded after this live section so that those that are unable to join will be able to listen to the video, watch it, and see what they can do to prepare themselves for the live class. So keep bringing your question, make it come in, and immediately. So let's just wait like let's say 1 or 2 minutes to see if we'll see more questions. Then we'll be replying you on the live chat for the questions. So thank you so much for heeding to all those advices. So for the live class to be easier for us together, please, we need you to watch those videos, ask questions on Telegram, WhatsApp. In fact, comment on that same video, receive reply, ASAP. So those, if you are finding it difficult to get the link to each of the videos, write that on the comment section. We'll be there to assist you, to send those links to you. And one more important thing, please kindly help us to share the flyers before the remaining few weeks left, so that others can have the opportunity to join this free training. And those that are able to do that, please, we will really appreciate that. Send a screenshot of the groups you sent our flyers to, so that we'll be able to identify those that do that for us, please. And so that those ones can have the opportunity to join in our live training sections too, as we have been opportunity to learn from this live training. And if after the live class people are able to turn up well, they do the assignments, they comment, there will be more live classes that we'll be able to bring out after the live classes that will take place October 1st and 2nd. If I a web developer and you've not joined the graphic designer class, I will encourage you to do that, because it will assist you. Because as a web developer, we also need who they call the UI UX designer. Those are the ones that help to design what the web developer will code on. So without the UI UX designer, the web developer cannot code or build any website. So they need a sample of a design to code on. So that is why the graphic designer or UI UX designer comes in. So if you are able to have that knowledge, even when you get that job, you will do the both. Instead of you, after collecting the money and getting the job, start searching for the UI UX designer to help you design the website to the client have in mind. But you already have that knowledge, you're able to do it yourself, and also after doing it, you build or code the website you designed. So that is why it is important that as a web developer, you also join the graphic design training to learn both knowledge. But for those that do not have system, that have just phone, it is only graphic design you can learn for now. So we'll be able to teach you how to use Pixel Lab to design logo, flyers, banner, mockups, and so on. For web developer, we will start from building a portfolio. Yes, it will be a little code, it will not be much, so that you can understand the little we're able to do. Build something simple using our HTML and CSS. So after building that something simple, our HTML and CSS, then you'll be able to get more live classes and videos on YouTube, our channel, where you can learn more of our coding. And if you have questions, feel free to ask us. We'll be there to assist you. So also those that have system for both graphics and web development class, it's important for you to join both classes, where I'm going to teach you how to use Figma tools to design logo, flyers, banner. In fact, UI design, that user interface design for web development, will teach you how to use those tools then. So there are lots to know. In fact, we're going to teach you, as time goes on, we'll teach you how to use GitHub. I'm sure you've heard it before. The function of those Git and GitHub is to push your code to the space. Like for instance, after you have built a project or for a customer or client, and you don't want that project to be lost. Remember, anything can happen to our system, can crash or can get stolen. So the purpose of learning your Git and GitHub is to send those codes to the space, like to your GitHub, so that anytime you need it, even though your system gets crashed or stolen, you can just go to your GitHub, get all those codes back into your system, then start working on it continuous. So all those things are still what lies ahead, which we are going to teach you. So this is an opportunity that if you do not take it, you might be lost, because a lot are looking for this opportunity but do not have it. So we implore you all to please take these live classes seriously. Take this, every information we send, please take them seriously. Help us to be encouraged, so that we'll teach you more and more as time goes on. So if you have questions, please keep asking, then you see your reply. Even immediately after our live class now, this video will be available for those that are unable to join. And if you still want to go back to what I've explained, earlier, you can still do that after now, because the video will be dropped automatically for you to rewatch. So share our flyers to others, encourage them to come. If you're on the WhatsApp group and you've done those tasks, please move to the Telegram group. If you need the link to Telegram group, chat us up to request for that. Then if you are finding it difficult to join our channel or subscribe, let us know. Let us know your challenges. Let us communicate with us. Don't just be silent in the group. Don't just be there. Talk, do something. I'll be glad to assist you. So thank you so much. Remember, we said we're not going to spend more than 30 minutes on this call. So thank you so much for joining. Thank you for being here. So see you in the live class, October 1st, web development class, by October 7th, graphics design class. So thank you so much and bye for now. Don't worry, keep asking your question. You're going to see answers to it immediately. Then you can also ask in Telegram group or WhatsApp group, and also in this same video, you'll find answer to whatever questions you have. So thank you so much and goodbye. See you.